Here guys, in this video we are going to see that how we can break a pen drive password. I mean that you bought a pen drive and you set a password there and you forget the password, and we are going to fix your pen drive. Okay, so if your pen drive is corrupted, and you can also fix with this method. Okay, so first of all I'm going to insert my pen drive on my desktop. Okay, as you can see that my disk is detected, I mean my pen drive is detected, and I'm going to format it. As you can see that here my disk capacity is showing 1.1 MB, so my disk is actually 64 GB, but it is showing 1.1 MB. And if I want to format it, like format it, so Windows is unable to complete this format, or if I choose any method like FAT or default method, so it is saying warning, and here is saying that the disk is protected. So what should I do? So here is a method, you can use command prompt. Okay, so command prompt means is a black screen and you have to write command there. So I'm going to enter Windows plus R. So it is open a pop-up that is run, and here you have to type cmd, and I already typed it, and now I'm going to hit enter. So as you can see that my command prompt is open, and now I'm going to write a few commands here. Like firstly I'm going to write Diskpart and hit enter. So it is asking permission. So another pop-up is open, and now you have to write list disk and hit enter. So as you can see my two disk is open, both are online. So I'm going to select disk 1. So you have to write a command selec select disk 1. So here its index value is 1. Okay, so 0 means the first disk, that is my SSD, and the 1 means my second disk, like my pen drive that we are going to fix. Okay, so hit enter. So now here is saying that disk is 1 is now selected disk. Okay, so now you have to write another command, so that is clean, 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 hit enter. So my system is working, so I write clean. So disk part success in cleaning the disk. Okay, this is clean, and now we have to create partition. So we have to write create partition primary, CREAT, create PARTITION, partition PRIMARY, primary. So you have to write spelling correctly. Okay, so now you have to, after writing this command, you have to hit enter. Okay, you have to hit enter. So I'm going to hit enter. So as you can see that you need to format the disk before you can use it. Okay, so format disk, I'm going to hit enter. So as you can see that before I shown you that my disk was 1 MB, and it is now currently showing 58.5 GB. Okay, so I'm going to start here, click start here. So I'm going to format it, and it is format is completed. Okay, so my disk is like E drive, and this is 58.5 GB. Okay guys, so that was the video. So I hope you liked it. So thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.